Mr. Barrington, I've been trying to get hold of you. I've called you 2 or 3 times.
Yes, I've been out all afternoon. Why, Sheila? Is something wrong at home?
Well, it's terribly foggy and freezing hard as well. I told Mrs. Mead to leave a cold buffet for your guests and go on home. The roads are so icy. I don't know if the hire car will be able to get here from the station.
Don't worry about that. They probably may not be coming.
Why?
Now, Sheila, it's nothing to do with the weather. Sheila, listen carefully.
Yes?
I've learned something this afternoon which makes me believe that one of the men invited may be an imposter.
Why should it... Well, of course, the collection, but... Well, have you told the police?
No, not yet. I wanted sufficient evidence before I make any accusations. I'm waiting for a telephone call now, and then...
Do you know which one it is, Mr. Barrington? Hello? Hello? Mr. Barrington?
Yes, I do now. Sheila,
Yes.
I can't talk anymore.
Which one of them is it, Mr. Barrington? Hello? Mr. Barrington?
Sheila, I'll call you back later.
Well, yes, but you must let...
No, I can't. Not now.
Well, but you will call me.
Yes, as soon as I can. What are you going to do?